Hello Aditi, I have come to collect the stores.
Do you have the indent or requisition?
Yes, I have it with me. Chef gave me the sheet of paper with the items I need to pick up.
Okay, then today in this video, I will tell you how requisition are made, and the procedure for receiving items from stores. Once we know what we need in the department, your head of department will make an indent for it. In our hotel, we have a software for making the indent, but you may also follow a manual system. After making the indent, your boss will print the indent, sign on it and send it with someone to the store to pick up the items. Once I give you all the items you have asked for, I will sign on this paper and ask you to sign on it as well. That way, we know that all items are issued. I will then file the hard copy for record and issue the items in the software.
Thank you for telling me how this entire process of issuing items from store work. And I hope you learned something new in this video. You know, we would like it if you will subscribe to this channel. To do that, all you need to do is press the red subscribe button below the video and press the bell icon.
And don't forget to visit clarifiedbetter.com for more courses and video tutorials. It is specially made for people working in hotels. See you in the next video.